Okay, so let's talk about dividing radicals. First thing we just need to do is a thing to understand if you have the square root or nth root of a number over an nth root of a number, you can move them both into the same radical. So for example, over here, they're both square roots, so we can just make it one big square root. Oops. Then you just deal with the inside. 50 divided by 2 is 25. X to the 5th over x will just be x to the 4th. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of x to the 4th is x squared. So really the only thing you have to do here is put the square root over everything, simplify everything first inside, and then deal with the radical part, okay? Let's walk through this one together, then we'll have you try the others. So we can make this into one radical. Now let's simplify everything. 48 divided by 3 is 16. X to the 7th divided by x is x to the 6th. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of x to the 6th is x cubed. Okay, you try the other ones here. Pause it here, work these couple out, and then we'll come back and check your answers. Okay, turn into one thing. 80 divided by 5 is going to be 16. X to the 7th on top, x to the 3rd on top is going to leave us with x to the 4th on top. Y cubed divided by y is just going to be y squared. And the z is just along for the ride. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of x to the 4th is x squared. Square root of y squared is y. The square root of z is just going to stay the square root of z. And that's it. That's all you can do. Let's check this last one. Turn it into one radical. 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. X squared is just going to stay x squared. Now I have one y on top and 3 y cubed on, y cubed on the bottom. So one of the y's cancel out and leaves us with y squared on the bottom. So now the trick is I can't do anything with the square root of 5. It might be easier to think about this going back the other way. Well, I can't do anything with the square root of 5, but the square root of x squared is going to be x. So an x is going to come out, and the square root of y squared is just y. And that's it. That's all there is to dividing radicals. There you go. Good luck.